If you want to apply to Central Johannesburg TVET College, also known as CJC, for the 2027 academic year, this video will show you the full online application process from start to finish. CJC is a public TVET college based in Johannesburg with several campuses offering practical career-focused programs. The official college website is cjc.edu.za, and this is the website you should use for applications, status checks, registration updates, and official announcements. Never submit your personal information through unofficial websites or social media links. One of the first questions students ask is when applications usually open and close. For the 2027 intake, application information published by multiple education portals indicates that applications are expected to open around September, with many sources expecting the main application period to run until late October or November. Some programs may close earlier, once spaces are filled. Because application dates can change, always verify the latest dates on the official CJC website, cjc.edu.za, before applying. Before applying, it is important to understand the types of courses offered at CJC. The college mainly offers NCV programs and NATED programs. NCV courses are usually suitable for students who have completed grade 9 and want vocational training. NATED courses normally start at N4 level and often require a matric certificate. Popular study fields include electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, financial management, human resource management, marketing management, hospitality, tourism, information technology, and business management. Always check the specific admission requirements for your chosen program before applying. Many students also want to know whether there is an application fee. During the application stage, CJC generally focuses on the online application and screening process. However, once accepted and registered, students who do not qualify for NSFAS funding may be required to pay a portion of their tuition fees, according to the college payment structure. Course fees differ depending on the program and campus, so always confirm fee information directly with the college before registration. Before opening the application portal, prepare all required documents. South African applicants will usually need a certified copy of their ID, their latest school results or matric certificate, proof of residence, a working cell phone number, and a valid email address. International applicants may also need a passport, a valid study permit, proof of medical cover, and a SACWA evaluation of their qualifications. Save all documents on your phone or computer before starting the application, because the system will ask you to upload them during the process. When your documents are ready, visit the official CJC website, cjc.edu.za, and open the New Students Online Application section. CJC considers you a new student if you are applying for the first time, have never studied at the college before, or do not already have a CJC student number. Read the instructions carefully before proceeding, because the college requires both the online application and the screening assessment to be completed. The next step is creating your online account. Use an email address that you can access easily, because CJC will use it for important communication regarding your application. Create a password and store your login details safely. Many students struggle to check their application status later because they lose their usernames, passwords, or email access. Write everything down immediately after registration and keep it somewhere secure. After creating your account, complete the compulsory placement screening assessment. This is one of the most important parts of the application process, and many students mistakenly think the application is complete without it. The assessment helps the college evaluate your academic background, interests, and program suitability. If you only complete the application form without the screening assessment, your application may not be processed correctly. Once the screening assessment is finished, complete the online application form. Enter your names exactly as they appear on your identity document, and carefully provide your contact details, address information, previous school details, and academic results. Double-check every field before continuing. Incorrect ID numbers, spelling mistakes, and wrong cell phone numbers are common errors that can delay communication from the admissions office. When choosing your program, take time to verify that you meet the entry requirements. Some engineering and business programs receive large numbers of applications and may fill up quickly. CJC also operates different academic systems, including trimester, semester, and annual programs. Engineering programs often follow trimester schedules, while many business programs follow semester schedules, so make sure you understand the structure of the course you are selecting. Next, upload all supporting documents. Ensure every file is clear and readable. If your document is certified, the certification stamp should be visible. Avoid uploading blurry photographs, cropped pages, or files that are too large to open. After each upload, confirm that the correct document appears in the correct section before moving to the next step. Many application delays happen because students upload the wrong files or unreadable documents. Before submitting, review the entire application carefully. Check your personal details, program choice, assessment completion status, and uploaded documents. Once everything is correct, submit the application and save your reference number. Take screenshots of the confirmation page and store them safely. If you ever need assistance from the admissions office, these records can help prove that your application was submitted successfully. After submission, regularly check your email inbox, spam folder, and application portal for updates. The college may request additional documents or send important notifications regarding admission and registration. Successful applicants will eventually receive communication about registration dates and procedures. Always respond quickly if the college requests information, because delays can affect your application processing. Some of the most common application problems include not receiving verification emails, forgetting passwords, documents failing to upload, applications remaining incomplete, or students not knowing whether they qualify for a course. If you do not receive emails, check your spam folder first. If uploads fail, reduce the file size, or try another browser. If you forget your password, use the password reset option instead of creating multiple accounts. These simple steps solve many application issues. According to information provided by CJC, students should also be aware that programs can close once the target number of students has been reached. The college also warns students not to pay anyone who claims they can guarantee admission or placement. Only use official CJC channels for applications, registration, and student information. If you need help, contact the college directly through the contact details provided on the official website cjc.edu.za. To avoid problems, prepare your documents early, apply as soon as applications open, complete both the application form and screening assessment, save your login details, keep proof of submission, and check your application status regularly. Following these steps can help you complete the CJC 2027 online application process correctly and avoid the mistakes that cause delays for many first-time applicants.